Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Rob Muffet. Guys, today's video was for my favorite people, which are my regular viewers. If you go to my YouTube channel, it says that I have 62.6 thousand subscribers. That may be true, but I think I've only got out of those 62,000 subscribers about 62 regular viewers every week. So this video is for them. I want to ask them a question. If you're visiting every week, and I'm so glad you are, it's obvious that you get a lot out of my channel and you benefit from it and you enjoy it. And I was wondering if you would do something for me. Every time I go to Amazon, if I purchase something and if I really like it, I'll add it to my influencer list. And I always leave a link to that list on my YouTube videos. And if anyone ever clicks that link, this is what they get. They get 264 items that over the last 16 years that I liked kind of a lot and put on here. And the thing of it is, most people have no need for any of these things. Most normal people don't need these items, so they would never go here or buy anything. But a lot of people do buy things on Amazon. And here's the thing most people don't know. Once they click that link and they go to that page, if they go up here into the Amazon box here and enter what they're looking for, if they find what they're looking for anywhere on Amazon using this link, Amazon gives me a little tiny percentage. Another cool thing is if you go up here to the top of your page, at least on my browser here, is a way you can bookmark this tab. And when you bookmark it and label it and save it, the next time you go to enter Amazon using that bookmark link, once again, anything you buy, they would throw me a few pennies. It's a very tiny amount. But over there, using those tiny amounts have enabled me to buy all of these things you see here. And over 2/3 of them are things either I made a video about, or they helped me make a video, or they're on the list for me to do a video about in the future. Not every single one, but at least 2/3 I can look at and say, yes, I use this in a video, that in a video, this in a video, and so on. Or it helped me make a video, and so on. So this has been very helpful, the Amazon affiliate links. I don't make a lot, but there's a lot that could be made that's being left on the table. So guys, I went and bought me some trays for eggs because I am the person in my family that makes the deviled eggs, the cranberry sauce from scratch, and the celery sticks with cream cheese for Thanksgiving for decades. For year after year after year I've been making. But the last 2 years, because of COVID, I didn't even go visit with my family. But this year I am back. And they're going to be welcoming me back because they don't miss me, but lordy, they miss my eggs. And once they found out how hard it is for them to make it. And I said, you know what? I'm going to celebrate my first Thanksgiving in the last few years with the family by buying me these little trays so I can put my deviled eggs in. I'll do a video about my deviled egg recipe. It's handed down from generation to generation. You can, as if you didn't know how to make deviled eggs. All right, guys. Hope this was something that helps me. Usually I say, I hope this is something that helps you. I hope this was something that helps me. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful holiday, a wonderful Thanksgiving, and Christmas is coming up soon after that. And I can't believe it, the year's already over. But it's a wonderful time of year, and I hope you spend time off of YouTube with your family, friends, and loved ones, and have a wonderful time. So guys, that's my video for today. And for my very special people, my regular weekly viewers, I really appreciate you guys. And also, leave a comment in the section, in the video comment section, if you have any ideas next year for videos you'd like me to do, any reviews or things that you'd like to see more of. All right, guys, it's been a pleasure, and I'm always thankful and grateful for you guys showing up. Take care. See you out there.